Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Vaseline Gluta Hya. Apply to clean skin right after shower while skin is slightly damp to lock in moisture. Gently massage the product into areas of concern using upward motions until absorbed. Use twice daily for consistent results, and always patch test first on a small area to check for sensitivity before broader use on face or body. Start with clean, damp skin to help Vaseline Gluta Hya penetrate effectively. Dispense a small amount and spread evenly using light upward strokes to avoid tugging. Focus on dry patches, dark spots, or textured areas, but avoid eyes and broken skin. Allow full absorption before layering other products, and always use sunscreen during the day to protect treated skin and preserve any brightening effects. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for relaxed reading during self-care routines and pairs nicely with a little pampering session. It's lightweight, waterproof, and has a long battery life, so you can unwind without screen's glare. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Always perform a patch test to ensure no allergic reaction before regular use. If irritation occurs, stop use and consult a dermatologist. Avoid mixing with harsh actives without guidance. Keep applications modest and consistent rather than excessive, which reduces risk of irritation. Store the product properly and keep your skincare routine simple, tracking any changes so you can adjust frequency or concentration as needed for safe, steady improvements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.